right now. Swollen knees and aching joints indicate that your collagen levels are plummeting fast. Beyond natural aging, you might be starving your body of the collagen it desperately requires. By age 65, your body manufactures less than half of what it requires, and each step puts tremendous pressure on your joints. Yet 99% of older adults don't realize that straightforward dietary changes can rapidly rebuild that collagen. Recent studies show that specific collagen-rich foods accomplish more than just slowing joint breakdown. They can diminish leg inflammation by as much as 47% in only 8 weeks, boost mobility, and reverse chronic inflammation. This video presents the 8 most powerful collagen-rich foods, ranked from least to most potent, that help eliminate swelling, repair joints, and fortify your legs. The top food contains 61% more collagen than any other source on Earth, yet most seniors have never consumed it. Watch until the final reveal. This single food increased seniors' skin flexibility and joint fluid thickness by 63% within just 1 month. But first, a quick question. How old are you currently? Share your age in the comments below. We read and respond to every single one. Let's begin with food number 8, a common household staple that quietly helps rebuild collagen within your joints internally. Number 8 is egg yolks. Most people don't recognize that egg yolks are a collagen-supporting food. While the whites contain protein, the yolks house the real connective tissue boosters, biotin, sulfur, and vitamin D. These nutrients don't supply collagen directly, but help your body manufacture it more efficiently. Sulfur enables the amino acid chains that form collagen structure. Without adequate sulfur, your body creates collagen much more slowly, resulting in weakened ligaments, aching joints, and leg swelling from fluid leaking through compromised tissues. A 2020 nutrition study tracked individuals with mild joint stiffness who consumed whole eggs for breakfast 5 times weekly. After 10 weeks, participants experienced a 22% reduction in joint pain, especially in the lower back and knees. Blood work showed reduced C-reactive protein, a key marker of systemic inflammation, plus increased collagen production. The remarkable part is that people over 60, who were already most deficient, experienced the most dramatic improvements. To maximize benefits, consume yolks soft-cooked rather than scrambled until dry. Poaching, soft boiling, or gently frying in olive oil preserves the yolk's nutrient profile and maintains the sulfur compounds. Don't separate yolks or restrict yourself to whites only, since the yolk contains all the essential cofactors needed for collagen creation. Current research indicates whole eggs may support HDL, protective cholesterol, and don't create dangerously high cholesterol in most seniors. Though they may not look like superfoods, egg yolks fortify your joints from within. They help your body build the fundamental structure needed to cushion cartilage, protect legs, and reduce that morning stiffness. If you're not eating whole eggs, you're missing one of the simplest daily sources of joint support hiding in plain sight. Number 7. Pumpkin seeds. These tiny seeds pack a massive punch for joint repair and collagen synthesis. Their power comes not from collagen itself, but from the trace minerals your body needs to manufacture collagen from the ground up. Zinc, manganese, and magnesium are the real champions here. Zinc activates enzymes that initiate collagen synthesis. Manganese supports connective tissue strength and flexibility, while magnesium helps muscle function and reduces inflammation. Number 6. Bone in canned salmon. Canned salmon with bones is one of the most overlooked collagen-rich foods, especially when you're trying to strengthen joints and prevent swelling. The soft, edible bones contain natural collagen, calcium, phosphorus, and gelatin that are crucial for cartilage repair and strengthening the structural framework around your joints. This makes it ideal for seniors with aching hips, worn knees, or lower leg swelling caused by poor joint function. The real therapeutic power lies in the bones, which most people discard or don't realize are edible. A 2020 study in Nutrients found that seniors who ate 3 servings of bone-in salmon weekly experienced a 21% decrease in inflammation markers like CRP and a 32% improvement in knee flexibility over 10 weeks. The salmon's omega-3 fatty acids and collagen peptides reduced swelling while promoting cellular production of new collagen. Participants also reported greater comfort standing, walking, and climbing stairs, particularly those who had been struggling with chronic stiffness. For maximum benefit, choose wild-caught canned salmon with bones intact. The canning process makes these bones soft and easily mashable with a fork into the salmon flesh. You can add it to salads, mash into avocado toast, or stir into warm grain bowls with herbs and olive oil. Eating both meat and bones together is essential because it provides complete nutritional synergy. The bones deliver collagen in an easily absorbed form, not just the fish. This makes it perfect for seniors who want powerful joint support without relying on processed supplements. It's affordable, shelf-stable, and simple to prepare. You can start seeing results with just 1 serving of this food. If you're tired of your ankles and knees holding you back, make sure to hit the bell icon, subscribe, and like this video if you found it helpful so far. I want to know if you're with me. If you're currently watching and this video speaks to you, type 1 in the comments. If not, type 0. Number 5. Chicken skin. For decades, chicken skin has been demonized, but it's actually one of the best foods for natural collagen support in older adults. The specific type I collagen found in chicken skin is identical to what's in your ligaments, cartilage, and joints. This means when you eat it, your body receives the exact building blocks needed to rebuild cushioning tissue, repair joint linings, and fight inflammation that causes stiffness and swelling. This isn't just helpful, it's essential for anyone over 60. A clinical study in the International Journal of Medical Sciences found that people over 55 who regularly consumed type 1 collagen from poultry sources reported a 40% increase in joint comfort and a 33% reduction in stiffness within 12 weeks. Their ankle swelling decreased, their knees moved more freely, and follow-up imaging showed less cartilage breakdown. This came from actual cooked food sources like skin on chicken thighs, wings, and necks, not supplements. To maximize benefits, cook chicken skin slowly and gently. Baking, roasting, or simmering in broth preserves the collagen content without adding unhealthy fats. Avoid deep frying, which can create inflammation and oxidize the oils. Skin-on bone-in cuts provide the most nutrition and flavor. You can eat them hot off the bone, shred into salads, or add to soups. While the texture might take some adjustment, the benefits for knees, hips, and ankles, the joints most seniors struggle with, far outweigh any concerns. Chicken skin provides targeted collagen support, plus it's easy to incorporate into regular meals without dramatically changing your diet since it's a common, affordable food. Don't throw away the skin. If your legs feel heavy or you start limping by evening, that crispy or tender layer might make your walking a bit smoother when you wake up tomorrow. Number 4. Gelatin. Gelatin is one of the most direct and bioavailable forms of collagen you can give your body. It's essentially cooked collagen extracted from connective tissue, bones, and skin. Plus, it goes straight to work supporting your ligaments, tendons, and joints after consumption. What sets gelatin apart from most popular supplements is how easily your body can absorb it. For seniors, especially those with compromised digestion or chronic leg swelling, gelatin provides a fast, natural way to nourish aching joints from the inside out. A double-blind study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition in 2018 tested gelatin supplementation in older adults with mild to severe joint pain. After just 6 weeks, participants showed a 27% reduction in knee and ankle inflammation and a 37% increase in joint mobility. MRI scans even detected early signs of cartilage thickening, which is rare in older adults without surgical intervention. The researchers' most significant finding was how quickly benefits appeared, often within the first 2 weeks of consistent use. For best gelatin use, choose unflavored grass-fed powder without artificial additives and added sugars. Mix it into warm water, tea, or bone broth, stirring until fully dissolved. You can also use it to thicken soups and stews, enhancing the broth, or make your own collagen-rich gummies using natural fruit juice. Consistency is key. Taking a small amount daily has been shown to reduce swelling and support long-term joint function improvements. Gelatin isn't just good for painful joints, It also strengthens the connective tissue and tendons that hold your hips and legs together. For seniors dealing with chronic puffiness, leg fatigue, or that burning sensation after walking, gelatin is one of the most effective ways to get collagen without major dietary changes. Just one warm cup daily could restore the flexibility and fluid movement that pain had stolen away. Number 3. Sardines. When eaten with skin and bones intact, sardines are one of the collagen-dense superfoods hiding in plain sight. Those soft, edible bones are loaded with type 1 collagen, calcium phosphate, and natural gelatin, all the building blocks your joints need to stay strong, supported, and pain-free. The skin contains omega-3 fatty acids and elastin that work together to reduce joint inflammation and support healing of damaged connective tissue. This makes sardines especially powerful for seniors suffering from leg swelling, stiffness, and aching joints that throb after standing or walking for extended periods. A 2022 study in nutrition followed seniors who increased their whole sardine intake to 3 servings per week. By week 8, participants had 25% less knee and ankle swelling, 29% lower joint pain levels, and blood samples showing improved collagen production markers. Researchers found the effect was most pronounced in those over 65 with early signs of arthritis, making sardines an affordable, effective solution for common joint problems. Choose canned sardines packed in water or olive oil rather than soybean oil or heavy sauces that reduce nutritional value. Make sure they're still whole with skin and bones intact to get maximum benefits, since the skin and bones are the best sources of collagen and calcium. Mash them into avocado toast, toss into rice bowls, or add to salads with lemon and herbs for an easy, flavorful meal. If the taste is initially too strong, try mixing them with plain Greek yogurt and mustard for a mild, creamy spread. Sardines don't just reduce inflammation, they help restore what time has worn away. These small fish provide a powerful dose of collagen and joint protection for seniors with weak knees or that unsteady gait, without relying on pills or powders. If you've been avoiding sardines because of the smell or the thought of eating bones, it might be time to reconsider. You could feel the difference in your legs within just a few weeks. Number 2. Bone broth. Bone broth is liquid collagen therapy. More than just a warming comfort food, when bones are simmered for extended periods, they release gelatin, type 1 and type 2 collagen, glycine, proline, and numerous other joint-repairing compounds that specifically target inflammation, stiffness, and connective tissue breakdown. For seniors, particularly those with tight, creaky knees or chronic leg swelling, bone broth offers some of the fastest, most absorbable collagen support available in food form. It doesn't just relieve symptoms, it actually strengthens the tissue matrix that holds your joints together. A 2021 randomized trial in clinical interventions in aging found that seniors who drank 1 cup of homemade bone broth daily for 12 weeks experienced a 44% reduction in joint swelling and a 38% improvement in mobility and pain scores. Ultrasound imaging confirmed the internal healing effect, showing increased cartilage thickness in knee joints. Unlike collagen powders that are often stripped of cofactors, bone broth contains everything your body needs to absorb, convert, and utilize collagen effectively, including the minerals needed to bind it within joint structures. Make your own by simmering bones with plenty of connective tissue, beef knuckles, turkey necks, or chicken backs, with herbs, apple cider vinegar, onions, and garlic for 12 to 24 hours. The vinegar draws minerals from the bones into the broth. If making your own isn't practical, look for frozen or refrigerated bone broths free from preservatives and additives. Drink it warm and slow, or use it as a base for soups and stews, cooking your rice and vegetables in it for a hidden joint health boost. Simple bone broth provides the hydration, cushioning, flexibility, and structure your joints need. It also works fast for seniors who feel like their ankles swell by evening or their knees grind. 1 daily cup can mean the difference between dragging your legs and walking with confidence. This is slow-simmered joint therapy in a mug, not just soup. Number 1. The most collagen-dense food you can eat is beef tendons. Despite their unglamorous name, this is especially true if you want to reverse joint pain, reduce swelling, and restore structural strength to your legs and knees. Beef tendons are composed almost entirely of type 1 collagen, the same type found in your skin, ligaments, and bones. When properly cooked, they break down into gelatin and powerful peptides that directly target aging connective tissues. For seniors with chronic joint stiffness or fluid buildup in the lower legs, no supplement comes close to the benefits of tendon collagen. A 2022 clinical trial in the Journal of Functional Foods found that participants over 60 who ate collagen-rich tendon stew 3 times weekly showed a 41% reduction in knee stiffness, a 63% improvement in joint fluid density, and better walking stability compared to the placebo group. MRI imaging confirmed regeneration of the soft tissue cushioning around major joints. These results didn't take years. Most participants noticed benefits in under 30 days. That's the power of regularly consumed tendon collagen. The best way to prepare beef tendons is slow cooking them until all the collagen is released. Simmering in broth for 8 to 12 hours makes them soft, chewy, and gelatinous. You can prepare them with rice vinegar, ginger, and garlic to improve flavor and digestion. Once tender, tendons can be diced and added to soups, stews, or noodle bowls. If you've never tried them, start with small pieces mixed with soft vegetables or bone broth to adjust to the texture. Beef tendons restore what time has worn away. They tighten the connective tissue around your ankles, rebuild the gliding surfaces in your knees, and replenish the cushioning that prevents your hips from grinding. For seniors who hurt when walking, climbing stairs, or standing for long periods, this one food might be the fastest route back to real mobility and comfort. It's not trendy, it's not flashy, but it's nature's most powerful collagen delivery system, and you'll feel the difference in your joints. There you have it, 8 real foods that can heal your joints, strengthen your legs, and eliminate painful swelling from the inside out. No drugs, no gimmicks, just real, proven nutrition that's packed with collagen. Remember, your body is constantly trying to heal itself. You just need to give it the right fuel. Which of these foods will you be adding to your meals this week? Let me know in the comments below. Every single one gets read and replied to. And if you want more practical health tips for seniors, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, because your legs deserve another chance, and you're not done yet. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions or want to share your own experiences.